there was a time when we would say the child is born with a silver spoon. Nowadays, the child is born with a mobile in the hand, with technology in the hand. So definitely they will know. They will know how to, and they know better than us. And we should always, praise this, appreciate this, that they know more than us. So there's no doubt for that. But, I personally feel that technology is gradually covering up relationships, natural growth of the children. Recently, a student in my class was saying something about, "Ma'am, this I can find in the Google as well." I said, "Okay, who made Google?" He said, "Someone." And I said, "And who made your brain?" I said, "God." I said, "What do you think, which is better? Something that is made by God or something which is made by human?" So all of them, instantly they said, "Ma'am, God." So definitely we have a brain, which is, technology is something which is invented by humans only. It can never supersede humans. So we should rely more on our brain. We should use our brain more. And the sooner children and parents learn this, it's better for them. Technology is like a assistance. It can support us. It can never take place of humans. So this is one thing that I want children to realize. They are in awe of technology, especially artificial intelligence coming into the picture. Chat GPT, you type, you get everything on it. But that's stopping the thinking process of children. Nobody would like to. If I have to write something, if I have to write a letter, I don't want to think, I'll just I have to write a letter for something. The Chat GPT or artificial intelligence will give me the entire letter ready. But then where is my thinking going in that? So I think children should realize that they should use their brain more than using technology. Technology is just an added help to them.